Let's take a look at how easy it is to use our books. This is Zach. Today, Zach will be studying his history book. Zach's history book covers a full school year's worth of lessons. He's going to start with week number 1. Lesson 1 is a list of vocabulary words for Zach to study. In Lesson 2, Zach will use the vocabulary words he learned in Lesson 1 to help him understand a passage he will read. After he reads the passage, Zach will answer the questions. Zach will do the same thing for Lesson 3. For Lesson 4, Zach will write a few paragraphs describing what he has learned from reading Lesson 2 and 3. When Zach is finished with all his daily lessons, his teacher or parent will grade them and sign off saying Zach is ready to take his weekly quiz. Zach's teacher or parent will grade Zach's weekly quiz using the answer key. Then, Zach's weekly quiz grade will be entered in his online grade form. Zach will go on to complete 8 weeks worth of lessons in the very same way. He will be ready for his 9 weeks review. He will take his first quarter test. That test, too, will be graded by his parent or teacher and entered into his online grade form. Zach will do the same thing for all his subjects, and when all his quarter tests are graded, Zach will be given an official report card that he can show off to all his family and friends.